Hey guys, this is Alex from 4C Trading, and today we are on Tron, right? TRX USDT on Binance. Well, basically, I didn't expect to be on this coin that soon again. I mean, but it did make some moves, you know. Previous week we had Litecoin. EOS is completely dead when it comes to, you know, big coins. I mean, once upon a time, cap coins, right? Main altcoins, they can't be named that anymore, since they're not even on top 10 anymore, right? Like they've all lost volume, they all lost shareholders, so on, right? Yeah, so still observing this chart. If you look at it on a higher time frame, it is looking quite nice, right? Is it looking quite nice because we just went with this pump, which happened to be about 60% pump. It moved above the main area of the chart. So this structure that we have been creating here, let's just see how long has that been happening. It's been happening almost 700 days, right? The structure that we've been creating 700 days, we popped above it, we broke above it, and now we're flipping it over, right? So basically means we are now on the above the main point of the structure. So this coming in, this is gonna be our buy area. So yeah, this is gonna be our buy area, and we're gonna place a stop loss just to see what kind of stop are we dealing with. I hope it's not too big. So the stop is going to be about here. So yes, it is about 9%. So it's quite on, I mean, it's quite there where we want it, right? It's just barely above our maximum, right? Or should I say under our maximum, right? So the first profit target is going to be located right here. It is going to be a profit target for about 23% on 2.5 R. I do think this is going to give us a nice reaction. It's going to hit land right here. The second profit target we're going to use on top of this chart, right? I'm going to stretch it wide and just go for the top of this current chart, right? And go for it big, and it's about 40%. And the last profit target, I'm not going to save it. I'm going to go all the way to the top, right? All the way to the top. And there also comes in another opportunity, right? I mean, yeah, that is about 85% or 8.7 R. But if we scale all the way up to there, there's actually going to be another opportunity for another trade just above this green line, right? So I'm not too sure right now where our entry for the second trade is going to be, if the price makes this up there, right? But it's gonna be located somewhere in that area as well, right? Compares, I mean, depends on where the price action is going to land for us, right? So yeah, this is like looking like a pretty good trade right now, and especially right now when Bitcoin is actually holding the area that we were telling you about in that in our stream like 2 days ago. So yeah, definitely if it's holding that area, this gives us a prime, like pretty good fighting chance, right? And even I was looking back at Matic, I do even think that even Matic can play out right now if the BTC is going to hold this current price and go higher and finally go test the 12k. So I do think Matic could also probably be reinstated as a trade, and we could probably enter it again and go for it and play it further from there as well, right? So yes, this is a high time frame trade. This is on the safer side when it comes to a structure like this. They usually work out, like I already said back in the past. They usually tend to work out a lot. These main levels are really golden stuff in alt world, right? They really do react quite a bit, and they don't happen too frequently, right? I mean, this only thing happened this only thing happened because Bitcoin rejected that 12k, right? So actually we finally got a pump which was delayed compared to all the other alts, right? It finally retraced it down again, just because Bitcoin rejected 12k and was struggling really hard, and you wasn't sure if it's gonna hold the area, it's not gonna hold the area. Are we going all the way down to under 10k where most of the stop losses are located for the people, right? Or are we gonna do that liquidity hunt, or are we gonna, you know, just stay above there? You never know, yeah, right? So yes, really good trade. We'll be looking forward to taking it, and again, right, if you guys want to see more of these trades, you know, do subscribe to the channel, punch that bell button. Also join us on the 4C Telegram community, right? We also share these trades daily. They're almost daily. If there are opportunities, we will share them daily, right? We also, you know, talk about how do you move stop losses and all that, because in this kind of situations, right, when you're sort of moving up on the price, yes, we will be moving stop losses a lot, right? Because, and you can't say just yet where you're gonna move its stop loss right now, because you have to see the structure that is going to form when the coin is going to be pumping on the upside, right? So yes, as once the structure forms, we usually call it stop loss movement, or we move it in our bots, because we do use the trading bots as well. And yeah, so that's basically it for this trade. So I guess yeah, subscribe to our channel, guys, and we will be seeing each other on the next one.